Want super crispy golden potato wedges without deep frying? Today I'm showing you an easy air fryer method that gives you a crunchy coating on the outside and soft, fluffy potato inside. Let's start with 3 medium-sized potatoes. Wash them really well because you can keep the skin on for extra texture and that classic potato wedge look. Cut each potato lengthwise into nice, even wedges. Try to keep them roughly the same thickness so they cook evenly in the air fryer. Now add 2 cups of water to a pot, along with half a teaspoon of salt, and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, carefully add all of your potato wedges. We're only going to boil them for about 5 minutes. We don't want fully cooked potatoes here, we just want to slightly soften them while keeping their shape. After 5 minutes, strain the potatoes well and transfer them to a bowl. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy recipes. Now comes all that delicious flavor. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, salt to taste, oregano, and pepper powder. Next, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This helps create that lovely crispy exterior when the potatoes go into the air fryer. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of water. Then gently mix everything together until every potato wedge is nicely coated. Be a little gentle here because our potatoes have already been partially cooked and we don't want to break them. In another bowl, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a small pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper powder. Give that a quick mix. Now take each seasoned potato wedge and lightly coat it in the flour mixture. Take your time with this step. You want a thin, even coating, rather than a thick layer of flour. Gently shake off any excess flour before placing the wedge aside. This extra coating is going to give our wedges an even crispier finish. Once the air fryer is preheated, carefully place air fryer safe parchment paper in the basket. Then arrange the potato wedges in a single layer. Try not to overcrowd them. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes, or until the wedges are crispy and golden brown. Cooking time can vary slightly depending on your air fryer and the thickness of your wedges, so keep an eye on them toward the end. And look at these beautiful golden brown potato wedges with that crispy coating on the outside and a soft, fluffy center. Serve them immediately while they're nice and hot. Pair them with ketchup, mayonnaise, garlic sauce, spicy mayo, or whatever your favorite dipping sauce is. These are such an easy snack, side dish, or party appetizer. And the best part is we made them in the air fryer with very little oil. If you enjoyed this recipe, give the video a like, subscribe for more easy recipes, and let me know in the comments what you dip these crispy potato wedges into. Enjoy!